So we're here with Paul Wilson from Pottinger, Ireland. Paul, if you could tell me a little bit about this machine. I've heard that this is the best baler in the world, so you've got a lot to live up to here. What is it exactly that sets this model apart from some of the others on the market?
That's probably true, and what we've done here, we've turned the principle on its head a little bit. We have the intake over mounted down, so that means our knife bank is mounted high, so that gives two benefits. First of all, crop flow. We have a unique crop flow into our chamber. So the crop flow is entering at a unique angle for starting the bale and for putting layers on the bale. Secondly, it allows our knife bank to be mounted high here, so out of contamination of dust, out of contamination of road dirt, where traditionally our knife bank is mounted down here on the end. Thirdly is access to the knife bank. It's unparalleled and unique. Simply to access for general maintenance, you can pull out your whole knife bank. We have a big product range of tillage right through to our wagons that are commonly known in Ireland. So this is just an addition to that already big product range.
The question everyone at home is going to want to be asking, is this a machine for farmers or is this a machine more for the contracted men? Who's going to be buying this tonight?
This machine for everyone. Why? It can be spec'd any way you want. So we have a master version and a pro version. On our master version we have 16 knives, 2 meter pickup, 540 driven, so more of a basic spec. Then we get into the pro version. That has 32 knives. That's unique chop method to any baler. It has a 2.3 meter pickup. It's isobus, it's load sensing, and what's most important, it's driven off 1000 PTO speed for the tractor. So we have a machine for everyone.
So Paul, why are we standing at the back of this baler and not the front?
Yeah, well, we wanted to show you a few key features on what we've done here. And here from this angle you can see the rotor, where we've mounted it. So the rotor is mounted low, and why we've done that is for the crop flow. So it's a straight flow of crop direct from the sward over the pickup and into the chamber. Then the crop enters the chamber at the right angle, where you can see on this image. So at a low angle, so from starting a bale in poor grass conditions or short straw, it's entering at a really great angle. It's not being fired into the chamber at any angle.
How long does the whole process take?
That really depends on the crop condition, but it can be very fast, high speeds in straw to,
And you've tested this already before?
This machine has gone through a lot of testing for 5 years. The test process, to be honest, starts each year in Portugal. That's the first place where grass is fit.
Right.
And it works north, and it came to Ireland in 2015 under the skies. So it has been tested in Ireland, no one knew. And it ends up in Scandinavia at the end of the season.
Under the skies, you're going to have to tell me a wee bit about that then. What was that?
Can't. Or indeed.
But this is the first.
This is the first one into Ireland.
Here.
Yeah. We have 3 coming this season. We have 1 combination unit, so that's a wrapper combination. You'll see it working at the Grass and Muck event in Gurteen on the 17th of May. And everyone is really excited to see it. Why? Because we can talk about all these features here, and it's nice talk about it. Until people see grass entering this in Irish conditions, that's going to be the proof. The proof is in the pudding, in the eating. So until then, we're excited for it, and
Sounds great, Paul. I better let you go. It sounds like you're going to have a busy night. Thanks so much.